So here's how to install WordPress on Hostinger. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your Hostinger account, then click on the hosting option. After that, here you will be able to view all of your websites. Now here click on the manage option next to your domain name. After clicking onto this manage option, now you will be able to view the interface like this. Now here you have to simply click on your domain and here you will be able to view the interface like this. Here you have to go back to your dashboard and click on the websites option. After clicking onto this option, now you will be able to view all of these options. Click on the auto install or auto installer option here. After clicking onto this option, now here you will be able to view the interface like this. From here you have to simply click on the WordPress and then select. For this, first you have to enter your website title, then you have to enter your administrative email and administrative username and password. Enter all of your details here one by one. After entering your details, click on the next option at the bottom of this page. Moving on to the next step, now here you have to select your application version and select your language and then click on the install option. Here take a look, your WordPress has been successfully installed to your Hostinger. So that's how to install WordPress on Hostinger.